Why customize your IDE?
Your Integrated Development Environment, or IDE, is your main workspace for coding. Customizing it with extensions helps tailor the environment to your workflow, making daily tasks easier and more efficient. Whether you want better code suggestions, debugging tools, or an improved interface, extensions make your IDE smarter and help you get more done in less time.
What are IDE extensions?
IDE extensions are add-ons that enhance the features of your coding environment. They can automate repetitive tasks, help with code formatting, add support for new languages, or provide tools for testing and deployment. Popular IDEs like Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ IDEA, and PyCharm have extensive libraries of extensions, allowing you to personalize your setup.
How to find and install extensions?
Most IDEs have built-in extension marketplaces or plugin managers. Simply open the marketplace, browse by category or search for what you need, and click Install. After installation, some extensions may require a quick configuration. It's fast, safe, and usually only takes a few clicks to get started. Always check user reviews and documentation before adding new tools.
Top extensions to boost productivity.
Popular extensions include code linters for quality checks, Git integration for version control, and advanced code completion tools. Themes and icon packs can improve readability, while extensions for unit testing and debugging save you time locating errors. Many developers also use extensions for live collaboration, database browsing, and terminal integration, all within their IDE.
Tips for choosing the right extensions.
To get the most out of extensions, focus on your workflow needs. Start with a few essential tools instead of installing too many at once. Pay attention to extension compatibility and updates. Regularly review and remove any you no longer use to keep your IDE running smoothly. Customizing your environment should simplify, not complicate, your coding experience.